Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off and restart Windows 11. Now, if you've never turned Windows 11 on, you may struggle to turn it off or even restart. Now, to do this, all you need to do is press the Start menu here on the taskbar and come to the right here and you'll see this power button. Simply want to press that, and here you'll have the option to restart, shut down or sleep. Now, there's another way of actually doing it. You can actually right click on the Start menu and then you can come up to this shut down or sign out here, and again you'll have the same options: restart, shut down, sleep or sign out. So selecting shut down will obviously shut down your PC, or restart will actually restart it. So hopefully that helps you out how to turn off and restart Windows 11. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.